Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Good morning. Good morning. We up bright and early. Want to make a new video, guys. Start a new series called Cash in Your Mailbox, guys. The way you can start receiving payments in your mailbox just by mailing little cheap postcards in the mail. Now, this series, guys, I want to create, I'm going to put all my postcard programs and flyer programs that I'm a part of that has been helping me to earn a part-time income working from home. Can you drop little cheap postcards in the mail just like this to make money working part-time from home? What I love about this program called Cash Building Systems Unlimited, this is the website that we own, is that all the sales are closed for you. JD Marketing is the owner of this great program. He will close all your sales for you. They will call his number if they have any more questions, and you will get compensated for it. So today, guys, we want to look at a simple, easy, duplicatable program that you can join for 2024 and make some serious money doing it. All right, so what we're on right now, guys, we're on the website of Cash Building Systems Unlimited. And once you become a member of Cash Building Systems Unlimited, guys, you will have, this is the generic website that comes with the company. And what I want you to do, guys, is go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, guys, and go ahead and subscribe to this playlist. And I'm going to show you exactly how to get everything set up and connected before you start mailing your program. So I'm going to start mailing your postcards. I'm going to show you exactly how to make money offline mailing your postcards and getting traffic online, just like what we're doing now. Now, just like it says, if you can mail a postcards, you can earn some serious cash from home. Discover the #1 system that is pocketing average people 25 to 35 in cash. Now, I've been a part of the systems for a year now, and it's still blessing me to this day. If you go to my YouTube channel right here, guys, I have a playlist as well from last year, Cash Building Systems Unlimited. Go ahead and check out those videos where I'm showing you exactly me making videos. And we have a Facebook group too, guys. So once you join my team, you'll get access to the Facebook group. Not only that, but I also created my own postcards that I mail out. These are bigger jumbo postcards that once people get them in their mailbox, guys, they can't resist but go to the website and check it out. All right, so let's go to the website and check out Cash Building Systems Unlimited. As you can see, it has a video that would play and explain the business opportunity. So that way you don't have to explain it to your family, your friends, your loved ones, but the video does all the selling and telling for you. As you can see below, it says through our direct mail marketing system, there is no personal selling, no product or inventory to maintain, so you don't have to worry about shipping out anything. No answering questions. So if they have any questions, guys, they will call JD Marketing, and he will answer all their questions, get them signed up, get their kit mailed out in the mail, and you will get compensated for it. No hotel meetings to attend, so that means you don't have to go out there renting out hotels like we used to do back in the day, getting people to come to see a presentation and to get them to join a business opportunity. No cold calling, so you don't have to be on the phone all day calling prospects to try to introduce them to a great business opportunity. No explaining to anyone. The website and the video would do all the selling and telling for you. That's what I love about Cash Building Systems Unlimited. No chasing friends or family, just mail postcards. Now, you can make money just by mailing postcards, okay? Just by, now these are the company postcards right here. As you can see, I'm just going to cover up the information right there. So these are the postcards that you would get once you join the business opportunity, okay? So you would get 200 postcards and 200 leads in the mail, depending on what level that you come in on. Now, there are 8 different levels, so we'll get to that. We can see that on the postcard. All right. A simple, proven direct mail postcard system that could earn you some serious cash per week. Our direct mail postcard. All right, so just like we said, guys, once you become a member of Cash Building Systems Unlimited, you will be assigned a ID number, and you'll be able to place your ID number in this box. So when people are ready to join, JD Marketing on the join page, it does ask that they put in an ID number, and they cannot join unless they have somebody that they're joining under. And that's what I love about it. They have the 1-800 number that they can call, the information line. Okay, so we got 8 levels, 2 pay positions per level. You got fast start bonuses, you have spillover bonuses, upgrade bonuses, and residual income. Now, all of these that I love. Now, the residual income part comes in that once you bring somebody in under you, you would go to position number 2 right here. All right, so you'll start off in position number 1, but once you bring somebody into the program, you'll drop down to position number 2. So now, as they begin to mail their postcards, you're still going to get compensated at the level that you came in on. So that's why it's called residual income, which is good. So you're earning money off somebody else's efforts of them mailing their postcards and building their business opportunity, which is good. Now, to get started, it's just $50. Okay, everybody has $50 to get started. You spend $50 a week, maybe just on gas, food, bills. So why not just spend $50 to start your own business opportunity working part-time from home? $50 is will get you started. Now, to make more money, you would need to upgrade to phase number 2. All right, to make even more bigger money, you need to upgrade to phase number 2. Now, the position the level that I'm on is level number 3. Okay, I'm on level number 3, so which means I can earn $700 on the first position, and then once I sign up somebody and bring them in, I earn $200 on the second position. All right, now let's say that somebody came in at level 7 and I'm only at level 3. I will still make my $700 being in position number 1, but then the rest of that money goes up to my sponsor if my sponsor is at that level. So that's what I love about this opportunity, guys. It's powerful. Anybody can do it. Anybody can drop these simple postcards in the mail to make money from home. All right, and as you go through the website, it explains everything. As you can see, you get 200 postcards and 200 names on prospect and peel and stick labels to mail postcards to. You will also receive your personal member ID number. So this is very important. So this is the number right here. You can see on the postcard, that's that number right there. My number is 4464. So once somebody signs up, they put that number on the sign up page, and that's how I'm able to get compensated for the sale. Okay, once they click up on this button right here, it takes them to the sign up page. You can see JD Marketing is the owner of the program. He's going to handle everything. Okay, they're ready to sign up. As you can see, they put the ID number in here that they are joining under, filling their information, hit the submit button, and JD Marketing takes it from there. Now, if you're ready to get started, guys, go ahead and click on that link below. It's going to take you to the website. Check it out. If you have any questions, just text me or email me, and I can answer the questions. This is simple, guys. All we're doing is dropping these simple postcards in the mail to make money. Okay, make money dropping these postcards in the mail. What would it feel like for you to walk to your mailbox and you got cash or a check? So JD Marketing, he'll send cash sometimes, and he will send a check in the mail. What would it feel like you getting cash or check in the mailbox? It feels like Christmas, guys. And what if you having a bill that you need to pay and that check comes right on time? So without further ado, guys, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe button. Go ahead and subscribe to this playlist, cash in your mailbox, and I will see you on the next video. Have a good morning, good night. Peace.